In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Tasks into your Gmail workflow. This simple yet incredibly effective approach can drastically improve your productivity by keeping your tasks and communications in one place. Let's dive in and get you set up with Google Tasks in Gmail. First things first, let's navigate to Google. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply open up your web browser and type in www.google.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll find yourself on the Google homepage, the gateway to all Google services, including Gmail and Google Tasks. Once you're on the Google homepage, you're going to want to sign into your account. To do this, look for the Sign In button, usually located on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Sign In page, where you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. At this point, you're going to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with the Google account you want to use for Gmail and Google Tasks. After you've entered your email, click on the Next button to proceed. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring it's correct. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off if you're not intentionally using uppercase letters. Once you've input your password, go ahead and click on Next to log into your account. Upon successfully logging in, it's time to head over to your Google dashboard. This can usually be done by clicking on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots, often located at the top right corner next to your profile picture. From the pop-up menu, find and click on Gmail to access your Gmail account. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in Gmail, let's make Google Tasks part of this environment. You'll notice a slew of icons on the right side of your screen. These icons represent various Google services and integrations available within Gmail. Look for the three-dot icon, which will open up more options for you. This icon is often found near the bottom of the column of the Google Services icons. Clicking on the three-dot icon will present you with several actions. Among these, you'll find Add to Tasks. Click on Add to Tasks, and just like that, you've made the leap into integrating Google Tasks with Gmail. What happens next is a small panel will appear on the right side of your screen, dedicated to Google Tasks. Here you can add new tasks, set deadlines, and organize your tasks into different lists. It's a brilliantly effective way to keep track of your duties right within your email workspace. By following these steps, not only have you streamlined your workflow by integrating Google Tasks and Gmail, but you've also unlocked a higher level of organization and productivity. Now, every time you receive an email that requires action, you can quickly add it as a task without ever leaving your inbox. It's all about making your digital work environment as efficient and conducive to productivity as possible. Remember, integrating Google Tasks with Gmail doesn't just end with adding it. Explore the options, create different lists for various projects, set due dates, and even add subtasks to break down more significant tasks into manageable chunks. As you become more familiar with using Google Tasks alongside Gmail, you'll find that managing your day-to-day activities becomes a breeze. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to get started with using Google Tasks in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you've taken a significant leap towards optimizing your productivity and organization. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to personalize your Google Tasks to suit your workflow perfectly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.